So this W202 C250 arrived a couple of days ago, I guess. I'm not certain whether I'm going to be stripping it or selling it as is. It's actually almost too good to strip. Lights are very, very nice on it. The interior is very nice. The engine seems fine. Paperwork's in order. It's registered through until 2025. Issues with it that I've seen is the roof lining needs to be done and it needs a gearbox. Second gear is very noisy. You can drive it. I mean, I've driven it back and forth. You can do, as soon as you're out of second, it's a lot quieter. Third, fourth, fifth, even at higher speeds, it's fine. It's just second gear rumbles a lot. So I would think a new gearbox is required there. It does have 2 keys. Gives you an idea of the interior. MB-Tex interior, but these, I mean, do wear exceptionally well. I mean, oh, it's really nice actually. I mean, look at that. There you can see the roof lining needs to be done. Relatively simple procedure. I opened up, I took this little tappet cover off the engine just to check for any diesel leaks there. I'll open it up quickly. Haven't put it back on yet. Turns out there weren't any diesel leaks. Let's just open up the bonnet. Move my hand here while I do that. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, that little cover goes there. But yeah, a regular OM605 naturally aspirated 20 valve 5-cylinder 2.5 litre. As I said, the lights are very nice. It really does seem to run nicely. I notice when it stands overnight, sometimes it doesn't start on the first turn. It might need a glow plug or two. But certainly the second one, it fires up. So here, it's not hot, but I've been here. So let me just do that. Wait for the glow plugs to go off. Do that again. And it fires straight up. Aircon works as well, unbelievably. Not often you see them with them. So it's nice, that works. It's got owner's manuals, got spare keys. Done 283,000 Ks. These are the wrong way around. So basically what needs to be done to it is those need to be blacked out. It's supposed to look like that over there. So that blacked out has obviously been painted. It hasn't got the correct rims, but they do have like a little safety lock and stuff. So right here. So it really seems nice. I mean, there's no smoke to speak of there. So if you're looking for an OM605 engine, or if you're looking at this car as it is, just contact me, make an offer. Let's see if we can make a deal. As I say, all paperwork's in order there. It is usable. I've been quoted around $5,500 on a gearbox, I think. I don't have one in stock, but from another parts supplier, so they are available. If somebody's interested in buying it as is and taking it over, contact me and let's see if we can save this one. If not, and you're looking for I'll certainly take the interior and put it in my C180 if we do strip it. But if you're looking for a nice OM605 engine, this is it here as well.